Hello, we are making pie and we'll need all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, margarine, can be salted or unsalted, then cold water. You have to use cold water to mix all of that. Watch the video and see how I did it. Please do comment, like and share. Do not forget to subscribe for my new viewers. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. Watch the video till the end. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like. Please comment what you think. See you to my next video. Do not forget to comment, like, and for new subscribers, please, and please subscribe. Bye. See you to my next video.